This is the Concept 2 rower. The purpose is to test our aerobic capacity and other energy system work. Perfecting your technique will take some time, but getting good exposure and repeated practice is what's going to help with that. A couple of tips: make sure that your body stays in alignment the whole time with really good upright posture. You don't want to round your back. You want to stay as upright as possible, push with legs, and then pull with arms. Be sure that you do not pull first and then use your legs. You want to use your legs first and then pull. This helps keep tension on the chain and ensures that you're using the prime movers of the legs rather than depending on your arms. Let's take a look at just a couple of strokes here. Very good. It's also important to keep in mind that the longer the stroke is, the more control and power you're going to have over your movement or over the rower, as opposed to really short and brief strokes back and forth. Very good.